back to the channel, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you stick around and please hit that like button. When I get to 500 subscribers, I have a special surprise, an announcement. Help me get to 500 subscribers, especially if you're nosy, so you can hear what that announcement is. You don't want to miss it, especially my old subscribers. You guys are just wonderful, and I thank you so much. Today, I am going to be doing just a very simple DIY. I've seen these back massagers at Dollar Tree, and I've seen several people using them on TikTok and on YouTube, and I thought I'd give it a try. I like some of the DIYs people have been doing with them. I'm going to put my own flavor and spin on it. I'm going to take these and I'm going to spray paint one in a metallic finish, and I'm going to spray paint the other one in a satin leafy green. And then I am going to put them together. I don't know exactly how I'm going to put them together yet, but they will be glued together. And it's just simple decor that you can set on like a coffee table, a sofa table, or entryway table. So let me go ahead and get these spray painted, and I'll be back. And I actually have 2 sets of these. Okay, I'm back. I have these all spray painted. I think they turned out beautiful. Now I am going to glue these together. And I'm going to set these to the side, let them dry, and come back and show you the finished look. You know, this is just something quick and easy, just a little decor piece. And here's the finished look of this simple decor. Guys, let me ask you something. When you do things, whether it's elaborate or simple, do you always say, "Oh, I love it, I love it"? I think it's something wrong with me, because majority of the things that I do, I love them. You know, there are a few things that I have done that I'm like, I'm not sure about this, you know, but for the majority of the items that I do, I love them. I can't wait to get an apartment so I can display all of these DIYs that I've been doing, the ones that I'm going to keep, because I am planning on selling a lot of the DIYs in the future. But for the ones that I'm keeping, I'm telling you guys, when I get my apartment, it's going to be so satisfying to decorate. I'm going to say it once again. I'm at 400 subscribers right now. Once I reach 500 subscribers or very close to it, I have a surprise announcement. So please subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed. Share my videos so you can get me to that 500 subscribers or very close to it. I know y'all nosy. You want to know what this surprise announcement is, and it's going to be a good one. Thank you so much for watching again, and you all have a wonderful, blessed day. Don't let anyone steal your joy.